students, today we are going to discuss open air oxidation. It is used for the oxidation of secondary alcohols to ketones in presence of aluminium tertiary butoxide using acetone as the solvent. Secondary alcohol RCH R-OH in presence of aluminium tertiary butoxide AlOC CH3 thrice O3 in presence of solvent acetone CH3COCH3. This secondary alcohol is converted into ketone. This reaction is known as open air oxidation. Now let us discuss the mechanism in detail. So in the mechanism we have written here secondary alcohol RCR-HOH plus aluminium tertiary butoxide. Here 3 butoxide groups are attached to aluminium. So you can write here like this AlOCCH3 thrice, OCCH3 thrice and OCCH3 thrice. We know this compound is electron deficient. It is a Lewis acid. So here this oxygen having 2 lone pair of electrons. So one lone pair is used for bonding with this group aluminium. So using this lone pair, this aluminium is attached to oxygen. So we can write the product as RCR-HOH plus, because here this lone pair is used for bonding with this aluminium. So oxygen loses the lone pair and it acquires positive charge. Then AlOCCH3 thrice, OCCH3 thrice, OCCH3 thrice. This aluminium acquires negative charge because it receives electrons from the lone pair of oxygen atom. So here we know this aluminium acquires negative charge, this oxygen acquires positive charge. Oxygen is electronegative, moreover it has a positive charge, so it has to be stabilized. And here also this aluminium and oxygen is more electronegative than aluminium, so the bond will be shifted, the electrons will be shifting towards the oxygen atom, so aluminium will be neutral here. Then here also this O plus H will remove as H plus and that will donate the electrons to this oxygen. So the product will be CH3 thrice CO minus will be here. This O minus will take this H plus, it will form CH3 thrice COH as one of the product. So just see here again, aluminium is negative charge, so some of the bond should be broken. But here this bond cannot be broken because if you break this bond it will be the same as starting compound. So here either any of these 3 bonds will be broken. So if you break this bond, oxygen is more electronegative compared to aluminium. So the electron of this bond will be shifting towards the oxygen atom. So this bond will be broken. This bond will be broken and hence it will be CH3 thrice CO minus. Then here also this oxygen is more electronegative. So this OH bond will be broken. So H will remove as H plus and that will donate the electrons to this oxygen. So oxygen will be neutral. So this H plus and CH3 thrice CO minus will combine to form CH3 thrice COH as one of the product, and the another product will be RCR-HOAl OCCH3 thrice and OCCH3 thrice, because here also aluminium will be neutral. So this is our product formed here, AlOCH3 thrice, OCH3 thrice and OCHR R-. That will be reacting with acetone CH3COCH3. Here also this compound is a Lewis acid, electron deficient, so it will be reacting with this acetone. This oxygen having lone pair of electrons, this lone pair is used for bonding with this aluminium. So the product formed will be RCR-HOAl OCCH3 thrice, OCCH3 thrice, and here it will be bonding here, so it will be O plus double bond C CH3 CH3, and this aluminium will get negative charge and the oxygen will get positive charge. So this is our product RCR-HOAl minus OCCH3 thrice, OCCH3 thrice, O plus double bond C CH3 CH3. Now we know we have to convert secondary alcohol to ketone. So here we see aluminium is having negative charge and oxygen is having positive charge. So both should be stabilized. So here aluminium, this oxygen bond will be broken. So here the electron will be shifting towards the oxygen atom. So aluminium will be neutral. So here this CH bond will be broken and this H will remove as H minus. So carbon will be having positive charge. So here it will form a ketone R, C, R dash, this one positive, this positive and negative, it will be a ketone. And here aluminium will be neutral, and here also this O plus double bond C. Here oxygen is more electron deficient, so the electron will be shifting towards the oxygen atom. So this carbon will be having positive charge. So this H will be attached to this carbon atom. So the product will be, one product is R, C, R dash, double bond O. Here we know this bond will be broken. And aluminium will be neutral now. Oxygen is again neutral. And here double bond is now, it's a single bond. And the hydrogen atom will be attached to this carbon. So two products are formed. One is a ketone R, C, R dash, double bond CH3, CH, CH3, O, Al, O, C, CH3 thrice, O, C, CH3 thrice. So these are the two products formed using open air oxidation. So today we have discussed open air oxidation for the oxidation of secondary alcohols to ketones in presence of aluminium tertiary butoxide using the solvent acetone. Hope the mechanism is clear and see you in next videos.